Welcome to Islam World Quiz Challenge. How you are good in general knowledge? Let's start.
China has recently signed a bilateral currency swap agreement with which country? Saudi Arabia. How many countries are the members of NATO? "31." What is graphology? Study of handwriting. Upon Pakistan's Imran Khan proposal, which day is declared as the International Day to Combat Islamophobia? March 15th. Which U.S. military operation in 2011 resulted in the death of Osama bin Laden in Pakistan? Operation Neptune Spear. Who is the author of Harry Potter book series? J.K. Rowling. Which country started the first newspaper in the world? China. Moscow is the capital of Russia. Who invented the contact lens? Adolf Fick. Which of the following is the largest concrete dam in the world? Three Gorges Dam. Death Valley in California, USA, is famous for hottest area. Which Muslim scientist wrote first book on algebra? Al-Khwarizmi. Dirham is the currency of UAE. The capital of China is Beijing. Which among the following is a source of clean energy? Solar. Which of the following is the capital of Iran? Tehran. The land of white elephant is called Thailand. How many times Australia won the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup till 2023? 6. Headquarters of Google is located in which city? California. SOP stands for Standard Operating Procedure. Which of the following is not an official language of UN? German. In 1974, Pakistan became the chairman of OIC. The word Thailand means land of free people. Which continent is called the continent of continents? Asia. How many countries in Asia continent? 48.
Thanks for watching. Write your score in comments. Like and subscribe.